everyone, this is Valerie Scott from Glass Online. Today we're speaking to Paolo Ziero, who is the business line manager at Spami, Stevanato Group. You say that at Spami you work every day to create smart solutions. Let's speak about the most evident one, which is artificial intelligence.
First of all, we should introduce the fact that in Spami, Stevanato Group, one of our major tasks is always to innovate and to create add value in our product. This is one of our big goals in order, of course, to reduce the cost of the equipment, but in general the cost of the ownership of the equipment, and so to produce add value for our customers. Artificial intelligence is one of the three main key factors that we are looking for in the next years in order to create this add value. Artificial intelligence is mainly the learning algorithms, so it is a new way to make the cosmetic inspection of the glass container. We have to arrive in a point where we are able to detect in a very precise way the quality of our glass containers, and moreover, to be sure that we are not performing false rejects when we work with our machines. We can have some and produce some signs in the glass that at the end are not defects, but with a normal system, with normal cameras, we can detect it like defects and reject. So with artificial intelligence, we can lead and we can arrive in a point where we drastically reduce the false reject and we increase the level of the quality of our glass container.
Artificial intelligence, is that something that is used then for the inspection and only for the inspection, or can it also elaborate and do more?
Today we are looking on what is the camera's inspection. In the future, the artificial intelligence not done for, I would say, the machine setup, the working tooling, could also help to can predict the behavior of the machine and maybe give the right suggestion to the operator. Oh, why not? Do the setup by himself, who knows, no? It is really complete greenfield there, but probably in the future we will also land something more automatic for our equipment, that's for sure.
So automatic, automation, packing, because you also say automation on packing.
Packing is another field that we are looking for the future trend. Why? We know that at the end of our lines, the operator still makes many activities now. Take the box, put the label, close the box, put in a pallet. No? This is something that we can automatize. We have already done some experience there in our ready-to-use glass container where we automatize the final bagging. And we are looking also to do it in our bulk area. No? And what it means? This will be a really big step, because if we combine the artificial intelligence where we are sure that the product is really meeting the specification of the customer need, and then we add a very tough automatic system at the end that take the box, put the label, close the box, and really bring and put in the final pallet, that really will bring another good add value for our customer, because we can really have a drastic reduction of our TCO, and people in the future will have more add value job to follow the data of these machines, of course.
Another step here that you speak about is predictive maintenance. What does that mean? Just a schedule of what you think will happen, or are you speaking about something that the automation or the artificial intelligence can identify?
But first, of course, we have to work that our equipment are able to give the right message to the operator and in advance, of course, to try to understand if the equipment is still working in a proper way or if there are some areas that are going out of the specs. No? Second, we can also work to add some specific sensors or devices in specific areas in order to help more the operators to understand all this, where is going the process now. And so also to think in advance if something is going out and advise the operator in advance, like happens, for example, in our mobile car that we have today, to say, okay, please look that in 2 hours you should substitute this part. In the future, like the second step, could be that the machines, where it's possible, himself make this type of setup automatically. That would be really our first target in the second level of the predictive self-adjustment that you want to do.
So now we're speaking about making sure that the machines are running perfectly and then reducing downtimes and safeguarding production. Now, we're speaking about giving value to the people, the operators. What about operator safety? How does that enter artificial intelligence?
Safety, to be honest, is our first thinking every day. We are the first in the market, probably the only one today, that for this type of equipment, we use the full safety approach. So the operators is not allowed to enter in any part of the process of the machine completely closed. Self-adjustment and artificial intelligence will help a lot this fact, because we limitate the stop of the machine for setup, for example, and we limitate the interaction of the operator with the equipment that is working. We are making process equipment. When we make the process with the glass, we theoretically should never stop it, because when we stop it, we need sometimes to restart and come back in the level of the process. So this type of activities that we are doing will help to increase also the safety level from a certain point of view.
Will you be at Vitrum this year?
We really, to be in line with our policies, this year we will not attend with a stand in Vitrum because, with the COVID situation, it's not, and for internal policy, we decided to avoid the exhibition this year. For sure, we'll come back the next years. We will probably participate to see inside, but this year, unfortunately, we are not be able to participate.
Okay, thank you very, very much for your time. And I hope to see you soon at a trade event.